Welcome back to the last week of political science. So, we are going to finish up with the Bill of Rights this week. You'll notice the week is extended a little bit. Classes end next Tuesday. This is the final agenda you're going to get from me. All right, so week 8, finishing the Bill of Rights, the 6th Amendment, 7 and 8, 9, 10, all the lecture slides are up. Everything you need is there. This is so short. You'll notice I say it's only 3 minutes and 15 seconds of me talking because I reroute you to the James Madison Institute for their perspective on these two amendments. They do a much better job than I could. So that is it. Important note here, don't do any of the embedded activities in the lecture slides. Don't do them. I didn't take them out because I'm going to use them when we're back in person in a couple weeks. But for you guys, in this case, for this class, I'm not assigning them, don't want them. I'm not going to give you any credit for doing them if you turn them in and email them to me. Do not do any of those embedded activities. But do take your Amendment 6, 7, 8, 9 quick quiz. It's in 8 points. It should be fairly easy 8 points. Civics post-test, that is in the syllabus. That that one was going to come back around. That's 75 points. Now, I'm going to make a deal here with you, because I feel as though I'm just going to make a deal with you here. Take the post-test, and if it helps your grade, I'll count it. If it doesn't help your grade, I'm going to just exempt you from the post-test. If you don't take the post-test, I'm going to give you a 0. So you have 3 options. Take the post-test. If it helps your grade, I will count it towards your final grade. Okay? Option 2, take it. If you do worse than, if you get a C and you're getting a B in the class, it's not going to affect you. I'm going to exempt you. Option 3, don't take the test. Get a 0 out of 75, and that's what stands in the grade book. So, I know what I would do. Then, the final will open up on Monday at 12:01 and close on Tuesday at 11:59, covering the Bill of Rights, which is Amendments 1 through 10, and natural law. Now, this is very, very important. You need to take the final on those 2 days. I cannot give you any more time. Class is over as of 11:59 on the 27th, and I get the grades in pretty quick. It's a pretty quick turnaround. So you need to find a way. Not one of you in 11:28 or 11:29 is eligible for an incomplete. You have to do it. If you don't, I'm sorry for you. But that is just the way it has to be. Find a way to take the final 11:28, 11:29, both sections, Monday, Tuesday. And yeah, that is what you need to do. If something happens, I will try to help you. I am not confident in my ability to do so. So please take the final during that 48-hour window. Okay. Now your final grade is going to be calculated like this. All right. So the final is 20% of your grade. So say you're getting a 90% in the class right now. And I'm going to change this over to percentages sometime after the mini speeches are entered. So you multiply that by 0.8 and you get 72%. You're walking in with a 72%. All right, let's say you do really well on the final. You get 100 on the final. That's worth 20% of your grade. So you get 20%. You can all do the math. Your final grade for the course would be a 92 in this case. And you can do the math and plug in your own numbers and figure out what you need to get. The only grade I need to put in yet, and I've got maybe 7 of them left to look at, are the mini speeches, which I want to say are like, this is both sections, 1128, 1129. These are the best speeches I've heard since I started giving this assignment. So job well done, and thank you. So yeah, that is this week. Get a hold of me if you need me. And yeah, that's it. All right. Bye all.